Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. From the title of this video, you already know I'm going to be dyeing my black weave into a reddish color. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm just showing you the frontal and the weave I'm going to be using. My frontal is from Alipearl Air. It's their 13 by 4 12 inches frontal. I'm going to be using this Zikai bleaching powder and this DY 12% 40 volume developer. I'll be mixing them together. I actually didn't dye my bundles myself. I gave it to my stylist to dye for me. I decided to try my hand at dyeing. This is actually the first time I'm dyeing any hair at all. So I'm mixing the bleaching mixture together. So this is the frontal. Like I said, it's from Alipearl Air. You're going to need a foil paper to place your frontal on. So I'm going to be spraying the lace of the frontal with this got-to-be spray so that the bleaching mixture wouldn't seep through the lace. I'm going to be dividing my hair into sections and then putting the bleaching mixture on the section I separated. Then I'll comb it out so that the mixture can spread through the hair evenly without missing any spot or any strand. And we're applying the bleaching mixture after combing it out. Then I'll be cutting my foil paper into small pieces to cover up the black part that I didn't put the bleaching mixture on, because I want my hair to actually have dark roots. So I'm not bleaching it all the way to the top. I actually learned this method from Sophiology. She does this whenever she doesn't want, or whenever she wants a dark root for her hair. And I'll just be repeating the same process all through the hair. I'll put the bleaching mixture on it, put my foil paper on the part that on the root of the hair, combine it out, and that's it. I'm going to be separating the top part of my frontal because this part is going to be my baby hair and I'm going to pluck most of them out anyway, so I don't need to bleach everything. I also learned this method from Sophiology. I learned a lot from Sophiology, especially when it comes to hair. So like I said, I'll just be repeating the same process all through the hair, all through the frontal. So I'm going to start on the other side of the frontal. I don't want to do it on just one side so that it won't be cumbersome on one side. So I'm going to do it on the other side as well. So it will be evenly spread out. It will evenly spread out and I wouldn't miss any strand of hair. I don't know if you guys can see, but some parts of the hair are already turning brown. So that means the bleach is working. Some parts are already brown. And now, of course, I'm going to be bleaching the baby hairs. I just don't want to, bleach it too much because most of them are going to be plucked anyway. So this is the end product. This is the final product. See, it's already brown and I've not even put my foil paper on it. I've not even left it. So I'm going to put my foil paper on it and leave it for about an hour to bleach. So after an hour, I'm going to take it out and remove all the foil paper I put in the middle and rinse it out with my cold water. Or is it warm water? I can't remember. So first I'm going to be washing the bleach out before using my VO5 shampoo. After washing the bleach out, then I'm going to use my shampoo to wash out the chemicals in the hair, because bleach is chemicals and you don't want chemicals in your hair. It just damages hair. So I'm going to be using my VO5 conditioner to also condition the hair, I guess. and I'll leave it for about 5 minutes before washing out the conditioner. And then after washing the conditioner, I'm going to squeeze out the excess water and comb it out. So this is the amount of hair that was damaged or that was shed. I like this hair so much because there wasn't a lot of shedding. So this is the next day. I am not doing it the same day. I'm doing it the next day. I'm going to just be doing the same process, spraying my got2b spray on it. So I'm going to be using the Revlon dye box or box dye, the burgundy Revlon box dye. So this is the developer, that's the colorants and the conditioner that came with the box dye. I also love all these box dye because they always come with gloves. So I'm just going to be mixing the developer and the colorant in my ghetto as bowl, and I'll be putting a little bit of my developer in it. This was actually a mistake. I wasn't supposed to do this actually, but I didn't realize until the end of the video. But it still came out nicely. It just made it lighter. My developer made it lighter, sorry. So I'll comb out the hair. I didn't really allow the hair to the bleach to process that much because I didn't really need the processing. I just needed it to lighten so that the red color can come out. So I'll be applying my dye on the brown parts that I bleached. I'm not putting foil paper at this time because I didn't process the black part, so this dye is not strong enough to process the black hair. Even if it processes the black hair or dye, even if it dyes the black hair, it won't dye that much. I don't know if you get what I mean. I suck at teaching. I suck at explaining things. I just hope you get what I mean. So I'm just going to be doing the same process I did for bleaching the hair. I'll put the dye mixture on the section I separated, comb it out so that the mixture can be spread out evenly, and then put another coat or another layer of the dye mixture on it. I know the dye looks orange I know the dye looks orange now, but I promise it's going to get red later. It becomes more red as hair enters it or as it reacts to hair. I just keep doing this until I'm done with my frontal. I did stain my lace a little bit. I think that's the only thing I regret, or not regret. I think that's the only thing I did that was very painful. I stained my lace a little bit with the dye, but it didn't really show, so I guess I'm grateful. So I'm done applying the dye on the hair. I'm just putting finishing touches on that, and then I'm going to cover it up with my foil paper so that it can react faster, because foil gives it heat and the dye processes with it. I do not know why I'm folding my dye. I don't know why I'm folding my hair. I don't have any reason for folding my hair. I just felt like doing it. So this is the finished product before I washed it. I left it for about 30 minutes before washing. So I am going to rinse out the dye first. Don't forget, always rinse out the dye first. And when you're dyeing your hair, do not scrunch up your hair to the lace. I also learned this from Sophiology. I feel like everything I send in this video has to do with Sophiology, but yeah, don't scrunch up your hair to the lace so that the dye on the hair will not stain the lace. Don't squeeze it together, just wash it straight. Then I'm going to be using the conditioner that comes with the box dye. I'm going to be applying that on the hair, and I'll leave it for about, I think, also 5 minutes after applying the conditioner. Then after 5 minutes, I'm going to wash out the conditioner. I'll put my VO5 shampoo to wash out the excess chemicals that comes with the dye. And then I will be putting my conditioner and also to condition the hair, and I'll wash out the conditioner, and that is it for this video. I like this hair so much because it didn't really damage. I only got a little shedding even after bleaching and dyeing this hair, so I totally love this hair. I'm in love with this hair. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you. Till next time. See ya. Bye.